Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody had a good week. We're going to go over the markets first today. They were mixed on the week. December 22 corn was down 1 cent, and November 22 soybeans were up 14 cents on the week. First, to go over soybeans, we closed at 12.48. Still have a pretty neutral outlook on this market. We did close the week at 12.49 resistance. But we still look to be range bound and may trade sideways until year end, unless if we get some big news out of South America, which I will talk about here in a couple minutes. The indicators are still following the positive trends they created last week. They are getting a little bit overbought, so we will see if we can get enough volume to push it up over this 12.49 level up to the 12.60 area. Spec Funds added more exposure this week. They added 4,000 contracts. They are now long 37,000 contracts. So managed money is still supporting the soybean market. Moving on to corn, we are now tracking the December 22 contract. So we closed yesterday at 551. Was looking pretty bullish, but kind of back down to neutral now. We fell below the 20-day moving average, but we still are above the 50-day moving average. The momentum and strength indicators did turn down this week. So in the short term, we may have a little bit more weakness, but I wouldn't get too scared about anything. Spec Funds managed money is still long 332,000 contracts, and they added about 17,000 contracts this past week. So still fully supporting the market. Just may have some very low volume trading until the first of the year while traders are on vacation and over the holidays. We had the December WASDE report on Thursday. You may have not even noticed one was happening. The reaction was so quiet. It was a fairly neutral report. Ending stocks, which was really the only thing they looked at, were unchanged. Did not cause managed money to create any large volatility in the market. We will want to pay attention to the January WASDE report when that comes out next month. That one usually creates some fireworks and will cause the market to move. In regards to general updates, I did mention South America. There is a La Nina forming, so could cause a drier climate down there, and that could cause the record yield estimates to be in jeopardy. If that is the case, that would help out U.S. soybean prices, but we will continue to watch South America, and manage money and traders will as well, paying very close attention to the weather outlook down there. I mentioned last week it may be a good week to lock in some farm diesel for the springtime at least. That would have paid off. Crude oil rebounded this week up $4 to $72 a barrel. So that did rebound, as well as the equity markets this past week. Friday morning, the CPI inflation numbers came in at 6.8%, and that is the highest year-over-year reading since 1982. So inflation is definitely there. It's affecting the middle class, small businesses, and hopefully we can get that turned around and get that in a new direction downwards. In regards to crop insurance, if you did plant wheat, again, your acreage reports are due on December 15th. So if you haven't got your 578 completed, do that as soon as you can, and we'll get that taken care of. We can start doing production reports anytime now for your 2021 spring crops. Hopefully everybody was fairly satisfied with those yields. It was another stressful crop year again this year. And the last thing I wanted to talk about today was the Illinois Department of Ag cover crop premium discount program is this Wednesday at 8 a.m. We can help you apply for this if you did plant cover crops this fall and you're intending to plant an insurable crop into it this upcoming spring. Again, that starts at December 15th. That's Wednesday at 8 a.m. They did increase the program from 50 to 100,000 acres this year. Last year, the program ran out very quickly. So if you do want to participate, let us know. We can help you out, and we'll try to get that in for you. We want to thank you for your business. If you have any questions or comments or anything you'd like us to cover in these videos, please let Larry, Susan, or I know, and we hope you have a great weekend.